God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Psalm 46 verses 1. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. This is the recipe to show how to make the best and easiest Konkonte, aka face the wall. Alright, let's get right into it. It's very easy and no fail at all. So all I have here is my Konkonte flour, which is fermented dried cassava flour. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do first and foremost. Though the flour is very smooth, but it's very much advisable to strain it off to get rid of excess chaff. There's always chaff in there, trust me, you're going to find it. So go ahead and give it a good strain and get rid of the excess chaff. Okay, do it 2 times if you have to. It helps get rid of lumpy Konkonte. Okay, you just want to make sure you have the smoothest flour as possible. In this recipe I use 2.5 cups of the dried fermented cassava flour, which is the Konkonte. Okay, so if you want the exact quantity, please check below, and the water will also be written below. Okay, just so that you know how you get the exact consistency that I also got in this recipe. So after straining it off, go ahead and directly add your water. I know traditionally you've seen that we have to boil our water and add the flour to the boiling water. That can be very tough, but lately just do things that are not going to stress your life. Many a times you get lumps using the traditional method and it's not quite easy at all, but making it this way, fam, you're not going to fail at all, but you get the same exact results with less stress. So once you add the water, go ahead and put it right away, apply heat and continue to stir like you are making banku. Literally go ahead and stir. And the thing with Konkonte is you do not have to season with salt, so just go ahead and stir until it gets tough. I know a lot of people enjoy Konkonte just as they enjoy fufu and the banku and the likes, but the process of making it really turns them off. But this is the easiest way, family. If you enjoyed it, you just have to take this route and you're going to really arrive at a very great textured, very smooth, lump-free Konkonte. I know one of my friends that after teaching them how to make it this way, they've never gone back. It is absolutely the same result. Please make sure as soon as it gets tough like this, you always higher your heat and add good amount of hot water. I added just about 1 cup of hot water. Stir it around, allow it to cook or boil for a good 5 to 7 minutes on each side, and go ahead and drive it again. Make sure it gets a bit more faster. You want to increase the amount of speed and the energy you're using it to drive at this stage. It helps with the stretchiness and it also give it a very good consistency. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Just increase it. Make sure you are driving it as fast as you could. All right, and go ahead and add another batch of water if you think it is too thick. I like my Konkonte in between, not too hard, not too soft. So I always like to go in with another batch of hot water, allow it to boil 5 minutes on each side, and later go ahead and drive it very hard again, and I'm good to go. It is absolutely easy. Tell me why we have to go all the way back to use the hot boiling water method, which is later on going to really be lumpy and it's quite stressful, if I'm gonna be honest. So try this recipe and I believe you're going to really enjoy. Once everything incorporates very well, make sure you drive it as fast as you can, as displayed on your screens like this. Remember, the heat should always be high, just so that you get the very perfect consistency and the texture as well. just as displayed on your screens. That's exactly how you should do it, okay? As simple as that. Before you say jack, after about 25 minutes, your Konkonte should be ready. Look at that texture. Beautiful. So now all that you have to do is serve yourself with a perfect soup of choice and you're good to go. We've done our Konkonte, our crisp brown or face the wall is ready. I love mine with some peanut butter or inkaten kwai. Oh my goodness, with a little bit of hot pepper and some okra on the side. Absolutely beautiful, so delicious. You can also pair with your okra soup or any type of soup that you prefer. Thank you so much, family, for watching. I hope that this helped and you're going to give it a try. Please do not stop eating your Konkonte. It is one of the best swallows and healthy swallows you could ever enjoy. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.